Good morning. We are out for our morning walk. It is not as cold as I was expecting. Maybe the coldness is coming. It's supposed to be minus 30 degrees Celsius here today. So we are just getting our little morning stroll, very small stroll in. And I was just listening to the Bella Lively podcast about astrology. Now, for me, astrology, it doesn't completely resonate with me, but maybe because I have never had an astrology reading, so maybe I need to have a reading. But like I said, I am an Aries, but I don't really resonate with that sign. I resonate more with a water sign. So anyways, I'm just listening about astrology and how to apply it to your life, and Howard is zipping around here, burning some energy. Hi, Hal. Oh, yay. And off he goes. So today we are just going to do a few little things. Slice some sourdough bread that we got, and we're going to make some energy balls. And then I'm going to work on some processes for my business, which is not very exciting to show you, but very exciting for me. And hopefully I can get things launched by the end of this week. So stay tuned. The snow is still just a little too deep to walk the trail, unfortunately. But hopefully some sun comes out and it melts, and someday soon we will be able to go back out on the trail. Right, How? He doesn't like going in the deep snow. And I feel so bad. One day I was trudging, he was following, and then I looked back and all of his legs were cut and bleeding. So I felt so bad. I didn't know. He's such a delicate little flower. So yes, we are avoiding the trail until the snow gets a little shallower. Good morning, guys. They're having breakfast. These are my sister's horses. The one in the blue is Cece, and the one in the burgundy is Phyllis or Felicie. I'm gonna head inside because it is freezing. Okay, so we're back in the house. I'm just going to cut up some sourdough that we got from a friend. It is from a baker in our local area, and I'm pretty sure, let me go look at the packaging. The bread company is called The Last Grain, and I am cutting it and spelling it, and oh my god, it smells delicious. I think it's infused with garlic. I am also toasting some to have, so I'm excited to try it, and then we'll make some energy balls. And while I'm doing this, I am listening to Bella's podcast. Oh my god, this bread, so good. Highly recommend it if you live in the area. So my day got a little derailed. I am sitting down, just taking some time to unwind. I spent a lot of the day actually on the phone, waiting to speak to the government, just about some business questions that I had. So I wasn't nearly as productive as I had hoped and wanted, and it is about 4:30. I have yet to do my workout, so I think I'm gonna pop on my favorite YouTuber, Lydia Millen, and do a little bit of a workout, and then start warming up some leftover Chinese from my sister's birthday lunch that she had for her coworkers, and then just wind down with a movie tonight. I'm really feeling like I just need to relax, even though my mind is filled with a million tasks to do, this is what I'm feeling I need. So this is what I'm going to give myself. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.